Eat these breakfast foods to stop morning breath for good. Morning breath is more than just a nuisance, it's often a sign of dry mouth, poor oral hygiene, or an imbalanced diet. As saliva production drops overnight, bacteria flourish, producing foul-smelling compounds. Fortunately, the right breakfast can help reset your oral environment and eliminate bad breath naturally. Want to eliminate bad breath and feel confident every time you smile? Click the link below in the description to get more details. Here are 10 powerful breakfast foods that fight morning breath, efficiently and deliciously. 1. Greek yogurt, rich in probiotics. Greek yogurt helps control odor-causing bacteria in the mouth. Choose plain, unsweetened versions to avoid feeding harmful microbes with added sugars. 2. Apples, their crunchy texture scrubs the teeth and tongue, while natural polyphenols reduce foul-smelling sulfur compounds. Apples also boost saliva, helping cleanse the mouth. 3. Green tea, packed with catechins, natural antibacterial agents. Green tea reduces bacterial growth in the mouth and freshens breath gently. 4. Celery and carrots, these crunchy vegetables increase saliva production and gently clean the teeth as you chew. Their water content also keeps the mouth hydrated and less prone to odor. 5. Chia seed pudding, soaked chia seeds are rich in fiber and omega-3s. They support digestion, which can also reduce breath odor from the gut. 6. Parsley smoothie, parsley contains chlorophyll, a natural deodorizer. Blend it into a smoothie with fruits like pineapple or cucumber for a breath-freshening boost. 7. Almonds, chewing almonds scrapes away plaque and stimulates saliva flow. They're also rich in nutrients that support healthy gums. 8. Lemon water, drinking warm lemon water in the morning stimulates saliva and balances the pH in your mouth, making it harder for bacteria to thrive. 9. Whole grain toast with avocado, whole grains help clean teeth through chewing, while avocado is rich in healthy fats and chlorophyll, which fight odor naturally. 10. Cinnamon oatmeal, cinnamon contains natural antibacterial compounds. When combined with fibrous oats, it creates a satisfying and breath-friendly breakfast. Starting your day with the right foods doesn't just energize you, it also keeps your breath clean and fresh. Incorporate these items into your routine and say goodbye to morning breath for good. Ready for a cleaner mouth and more confident smile? Want to eliminate bad breath and feel confident every time you smile? Click the link below in the description to get more details. Thanks for watching.